Pronunciation is very important, and it really is. Have you ever heard someone saying this to you?
I'm sorry? What did you say?
They simply couldn't understand what you were saying because of your pronunciation. If you don't want this to happen to you again, you need to learn proper English pronunciation. Good news! Here are 5 simple tips that will help you improve your pronunciation. Number 1. Learn all 44 English sounds. It's important to understand how to use your tongue, teeth, and lips to pronounce English sounds correctly. If you learn how to pronounce all 44 English sounds correctly, your pronunciation will improve significantly. Click here to find our playlist with all 44 instructional videos. Number 2. Copy the native speakers. Try to copy the pronunciation of native speakers when you're watching English movies, news, or listening songs in English. Make sure you pay close attention to intonation, rhythm, and stress. Number 3. Don't be afraid to speak slowly. Most probably, it will be very difficult in the beginning. Speak slowly, try to pronounce sounds correctly, and breathe. Focus on what you are saying, but stay relaxed and calm. In some time, you will start speaking faster and faster. Number 4. Sing in English. Singing is another useful and enjoyable exercise, and it really works. Number 5. Read aloud. Reading aloud allows you to hear and correct your own mistakes on the go. By the way, we have a great online course, Perfect English Pronunciation. Hundreds of happy students already improved their pronunciation. The link to the course is in the description. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ask your questions in the comments. Bye bye!